let's do some factory footage.
All right, take it away, factory.
Well, these this week, there's no sound on them.
Okay,
really.
so this is paste.
Yeah.
What are we doing here with this paste?
Well,
oh, it's just prototype making.
Yeah.
Oh, we're making some prototypes.
That's right.
That's always a good time. We use Stencil for our prototypes. They're great, very sharp. I'm gonna clean up.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Looks good, and then let's check.
How do we do? Not bad.
Nice. Looking good. That's for the MCP 9600, which is a baud rate and also an I2C thermocouple sensor. And then it's like, we want lots more paste. You would use our stencil machine. This time I guess making a relay feather wing. And I go, look at that bead. A bead of paste. Those blades are sharp, by the way. Don't stick your hand in there. I mean, like, you can't, but don't even try to.
So this is a feather wing.
Yeah, so it's squeegeeing. There's 2 passes. And there's a vision check. There you go. So you can see it was flashing. It was doing the vision check.
Yeah. And then this is the Wi-Fi feather?
This is the Wi-Fi feather, and this is a selective solder. It is, we use the pick and place to do all the surface mount parts, and then we use the selective to solder in the headers. So we place the headers in by hand, put it in the selective, and it's, you know, it's not faster than hand soldering, but it's kind of precise, and you don't have to sit there and do it. And another thing that's nice is it's like, you know, the headers stick down, so they're nice and flat.
This is
some OLED. Yeah, we're soldering in OLED displays. I think those are PiOLEDs. So that's how we do them, by hand. It's a good way of doing it, though. Whoa. It's like my arm. It aches. Take a break.
There's some 3D printing.
Yeah, we're doing some Cricut to Lego adapter experimentation here. There you go. Look at that. Cricut, Adafruit, Lego dots.
Yeah, this is
Here's a boat.
Projects.
Hey, it's kind of cute. It's like, hey, I'm just swimming. Is that like Tubtronics?
Yeah.
Brilliant idea to use the buttermilk carton. Because it's like, well, can you get waterproof cardboard? Answer is milk cartons.
Okay, and then last up, as always, here's a time lapse from outside of the windows here at Adafruit.
That's nice.